How to log into Remitly on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into Remitly on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into the Remitly app on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then basically first of all launch the Remitly application over here. And once you launch the Remitly application here, you're going to be able to see this type of interface like this. And what you want to do from here is first of all select your language. So I'm assuming most of you are just going to select English, so I will leave it at that as well. Now if you already don't have a Remitly account, you can look at the bottom of the screen. It will give you the option to create a new account if you haven't done that. Now I'm not going to get into detail. If you want to learn the details of this, I've also already made a tutorial on that, so you can check that out if you want to, or you can just tap the I already have a profile option that you can find here, and here you'll find the email address and the password. So you can make sure to just go ahead and then actually enter the email address that you use to sign up for your Remitly account here, and after that you can also enter your password. Tap the sign in option. If your account details are correct, you'll get successfully signed into your Remitly app. This way you'll be able to log into Remitly on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.